The 60th anniversary of the School of Management is a point in time to reflect on its successes.
We have had a great schedule. We had a lunch today with community members, followed by a signature management inaugural lecture.
I've been asked to present a lecture here today for the 60th anniversary. So I'm currently working as the Director of People and Culture at Universal Music, and it's been an honor to be here. It's an honor to be asked to deliver this lecture, especially on a topic that's so close to my heart, responsible management.
We've got a variety of people from many different backgrounds, but all who have a passion about the School of Management.
We have friends of the school, we have business partners, alumni, students.
I'm thrilled to have been invited. It's fantastic to see so many wonderful colleagues, and I'm so proud to have been part of the journey over the last 60 years.
The School of Management is probably one of the most iconic institutions in Bradford, and it has been since it was founded. Nowadays, it's focused on diversity and inclusion.
Its culture is very warm and inclusive. They like to invite alumni back into events like this, where we all can connect with each other.
Seeing all my peers and my tutors, it's as if I've never left. They've kept up the quality.
As the School of Management celebrates the 60th anniversary today, I'm immensely proud, excited for the future, but also being able to celebrate with our alumni who are in the industry, living and breathing the purpose of the school in terms of responsible management.
Stay true to your own self in finding a job and finding organizations. Find an organization that supports your personal values.
It's really quite an amazing institution, the first business school in the UK.
And I wouldn't be where I am today without the School of Management. What a privilege to be back.